Welcome to my YouTube channel. The Daily Post brings another new informative video about welding and basic types of welding. This is the best video to learn about welding and its types. I will suggest you to watch my previous videos to learn more. Please share and subscribe to get new videos. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn. In this video we will discuss about following. What is welding? Purpose of welding. Types of welding. What is welding? The welding process involves a welding power source to generate an electric arc to melt the parent material being welded as well as any consumable being used. This then bonds separate individual metals together. Basic purpose of welding. The basic purpose of welding is to join two elements together with a firm connection. Welders typically work with metal or thermoplastic and use durable filler material to bind them together. Welding is used to create many modern constructions in our world, such as skyscrapers, cars, ships and airplanes. In this video, we will cover the types of arc welding processes with the aim to provide some helpful tips. Here are some basic types of welding. Gas metal arc welding. Gas tungsten arc welding. Shielded metal arc welding. Flux cord arc welding. Gas metal arc welding. Gas metal arc welding, also known as metal inert gas or MIG welding. This process uses a thin wire as an electrode. The wire heats up as it is fed through the welding instrument and towards the welding site. Shielding gas must be used to protect the weld from contaminants in the air. Typically, this comes in the form of carbon dioxide, oxygen, argon or helium. This method is often used to work on metals such as stainless steel, copper, nickel, carbon steel, aluminum, and more. Of all the welding processes, this one is most popular across the construction and automotive industries. Gas tungsten arc welding. This type of welding process, also known as tungsten inert gas or TIG welding, it is commonly used to weld together thin and non-ferrous materials like aluminum, copper, lead, or nickel. It's commonly applied to bicycle or aircraft manufacturing. Unlike other types of welding processes, TIG welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. You will still need an external gas supply, usually argon or a mix of argon and helium. This is considered one of the most difficult welding methods to master, and one that produces the most high-quality welds. Shielded metal arc welding. This type of welding process relies on a manual technique, using a consumable electrode coated in flux. This method tends to be most popular among home shop welders. This process is also more informally known as stick welding. The nickname references the electrode used to weld the metal, which comes in the form of a stick. Because shielded metal arc welding requires minimal equipment, it's one of the most low-cost processes around. This type of welding does not require shielding gas, and can be performed outdoors in the wind or rain. It also works well on dirt and rusty materials. Flux cord arc welding. Similar to MIG welding, flux cord arc welding revolves around a continuous wire feed process. There are two separate processes associated with flux cord arc welding. One involves the use of shielding gas, while the other relies on self-shielding agents produced when fluxing agents decompose within the wire. This type of welding is known for being inexpensive and easy to learn. Much like the MIG welding process, it's a great way for beginning welders to kick off their careers in the field. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video with another informative topic. If you are new, please subscribe and must write about this video in comment box. I will be surprised if you tell me from where you are watching this learning video in comment box. Keep watching the Daily Post. Choose the best way to learn.